Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your email name. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So you have to go over to Google, any browser, or you go over to your Gmail. So over here is the Gmail homepage, and you're going to see your profile at the right corner at the upside. Let me go over to it, and over here you're going to see manage your Google account. You have to go over to it, and what you see next is for you to go over to personal info. In that personal info, you can look at the downside. They're going to see name, email, phone, and address. So let me go over to it. So here is the personal info. Where you need to go to, you have to go over to the name side. You have to go over to name where is written name. So it's loading. So here is the name area. As you can see, my name is over here. Let me go over to it. Over here you'll be able to change your name to whatever you want to change it to, and you can change the first name or the last name. You can put it in a way you want. You already know what you want to put here. You can put it, and when you are done with that, you just have to go over to save. You can add number to it and whatsoever there. So now you see I've saved it, I've changed my email name. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.